Page 10, Limerick Tune. You can Google what a limerick is. You're talking over with your teacher. It's just, this is the idea is you can take limericks or whatever they are and kind of sing them to this tune. I'm just going to talk about the tune. I'm not going to talk about the words or anything. 3/4 time. You're starting out here in the right hand with a B. That puts you in this position. You're coming in on beat 3 because there's a pickup beat. If you're wondering where the first two beats are, it's the last measure of the piece. That's two beats. That's a half note. So those two beats and then beat 3's at the top. It's the way they do it. I don't know. So it's 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, and that's tied. So you're gonna hold that down for 4 counts because it's tied to a quarter note, and then you lift up for a rest. And then that B is tied for 4. You know, hold it down for 4 counts, and then lift up. And so work it out. You're in this position. Make sure you can play all these notes and count it out right. Then the left hand. Well, you're starting down here, G and a D. You need to know the names of these notes. And it's just a quarter note. Rest. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's an A and a D. 2, 3. So just make sure you can play the left hand. Get up, all right? Put the hands together. You're here. That's cool. Rest. Rest. So the hands are doing different things here, so be careful. I'm going kind of fast. You can go slow. When you get the hands together, as far as articulation goes, you just got the slurs. And you got rests in between the slurs, so you just lift up for the rest for the most part. Hopefully that's not a problem because you might not be lifting up at the same time. Look at the third line. We're here. Right there, going from the last two measures. They're in the third line. This is connected as best you can. But that left hand here and then lift up before you. It's a new slur, so it's a minor thing, but do it if you can. Then you add the dynamics. Well, it's moderately loud, and that's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. You'll have to decide what moderately loud is. It's sort of loud. And then in the third line, you're going to crescendo. See that long arrow? Means get louder. Go up to about a loud, but don't get loud until the last measure. So you may do this like a measure at a time. So the third line, you can come down actually and start this at moderately soft, so you got more room to get louder. So a little louder, a little louder. Now you're loud. And you stay that to the last line until the last two measures. Really, the right hand, you can't do anything. It's just hanging on there for 5 counts because it's tied. Get softer in the left hand. That's about all you can do on that one. As far as the speed goes, it's like, well, this is a fun piece. It's moderately, whatever that is. Eventually, you slowly build it up to that speed. No wrong notes, no hesitations, none of that. It's all nice and smooth and even. Now, I would like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Now, there's a repeat sign at the bottom, so we are going to play this twice. So I'll give us 2 counts, and let's play this together. I'm not going to do the dynamics, just notes and rhythms. Ready, go.